McPherson from the agency, and I'm just outside my latest listing at 7 Plantation Drive in Taroomball. I cannot wait to show you this perfectly appointed and well-kept home. Let's have a look. This perfectly positioned kitchen really is the hub of the home. I love how it effortlessly connects to the outdoors and the appointment of the stone bench tops and gas cooking. And how's this for a master suite? Not only is it huge, complete with a large walk-in and ensuite, I'm obsessed with the use of windows, especially this picture window. There you have it for 7 Plantation Drive in Taroomball. Situated on a 702 metre square fully fenced allotment, this home has so many extras including solar. If you'd like to know more or arrange your private inspection of this beautiful home, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'd love to talk to you.